Daryl here, Texas Pig Napper. Time to do an ammo test. Winchester Deer Season XP, 150 grain, versus Sabre Blade Black Tip, also in 150 grains. We're shooting both out of a 300 Blackout, so come along. So for the past 2 years, I've been using Winchester Deer Season XP in 150 grain to hunt pigs, and it's been a good ammo. Nothing wrong with this ammo. I was buying it. It used to be in a white box. And it was about 31, 32 bucks a box. I just bought this. I think it's the same thing as what was in the white box, or maybe it was silver box. I think they just changed the box. I'm not sure, but it's Deer Season XP. It's 150 grain, but it's about $36 a box. Now, I've been wanting to check for a while. Palmetto sells this Sabre 300 Blackout. It's also, it's a black, it's a blade black tip is what it is. It's 150 grains, just like the Winchester XP, but it's about $13, $14 a box, okay? Now, considering your first shot on a pig is usually the one you need the most, after that, if they're a sounder, they start running around, and I'm not going to say you're spraying and praying, but you're not as precise because you're moving around trying to get it. So for less than half the cost to get these bullets, if they're good, I think it'd be worth it to switch from this, at least for pig hunting. Again, we're just talking pig hunting. So this will be a two-part test. The first part will be, how accurate is this? Again, I'm not looking for precise, precision shots, hole in a hole. I'm looking for pig hunting accurate, which is all I get out of this anyway. So we'll start off. We'll shoot this downrange. We'll see if it's going to be accurate enough for pig hunting. I want to see a good, decent cold bore shot, and then I want to see some additional shots within a good pig killing range. I'll shoot this just to see. It won't be cold bore, but I'll shoot it just so you can kind of see how it does as well. But this has proven itself. There's nothing wrong with this ammo. I just want to see how this ammo at less than half the cost is going to do. Once I test the accuracy of this one, then I'll start field testing it. It'll take more than a few hunts, but we'll see how it does as far as being lethal against the pigs. So that's it. Hope you'll join me. Let's see what happens. Okay, I'm at the range, and here's the plan for today. These will be my target, little hand warmer packets. I'm going to start with the new ammo first. I'll shoot one cold barrel shot, and I'm not looking for bullseyes right away, so I just want to make sure it's close enough for a kill. And then after that, I'll let y'all see where the cold bore shot went, and then I'll shoot 3 shots and see where the next 3 shots go. And again, I'm not looking for bullseyes, I'm looking more for consistency. After that, of course, I won't have a cold bore. I'll shoot what I already use, the deer season ammo, just for kind of comparison's sake. So I'm going to get the target up and we'll go from there. Okay, there's, looks like the shot. Looks like the bottom, kind of the middle bottom. I'll bring it in. By the way, this is my gun. I'm not even using a bench. Let's take a look. Here it comes. Yeah, I'd call that a kill shot. You can see it hit right there. So that's pretty good. I'm pretty pleased with that. There it goes. And now we'll do 3 shots and see how consistent it is. And again, there could be some discrepancies just because of me and this bench rest, but we'll see. So now we're going to put 3 downrange. I think I may have forgot to record that first shot. But anyway, now we'll put 3 downrange, see how consistent the ammo is. And how consistent I am, I guess, too. I'll let you know if I feel like I pulled. One shot. Two shots for me. That one I may have pulled just slightly or pushed. Okay. Let's see what they look like. I can see from here they're not. And here it comes. All right. Well, I said one I didn't feel as good about. So I've got 1 shot there. I think that was my second shot. The first and the third I felt pretty good about. I think those are, I should have looked to see on my camera and I didn't. But anyway, so 1, 2, and 3, all of them, to me, that's consistent enough for pigs. So I'm pretty pleased with that. I'm pretty pleased with that. All right, let me put another heat thing on. I'll put the other on this side over here and I'll load up. And we'll see how it does. All right, I got my second hand warmer up. This will be 3 shots from the deer season XP. I'm not going to call a cold bore shot because basically I've already been shooting. This time I'll remember to put my eyes on. Probably left on that one. No, upper right of the back. Ooh, high and left. See if that was me or the, I didn't know that time. First shot was right there. Shot was right there. Third shot. I'll bring it in. I'll bring it in so you can see it. Alright, it's here. Again, this was my first shot. That was right there. This was my second shot. That was my third shot. So that could be me. Either way, those are pig killers. Is all that matters to me. Alright, so I've added a third. I'm just going to shoot up the rest of my box at that target, and I'll be shooting the new ammo, the Sabre Blade black tip. So let's see what it does. 3 shots, that's not good.
What's going on?
One below. I got no idea where the others are. That's not good enough. Holy crap. 1 on paper. I shot 5 shots. That's only 1. Now I'm changing my mind about this ammo. Wow. Went from that. This was my very cold boy shot. Then I put 3 right there. I'm like, yeah, this is good. And I shot 3 from my old ammo. Okay. And then I shot 10. And there's 1, 2, and there's a third one there. So 7 didn't hit paper. So then I moved it to center and shot 5. And I see 1 on paper. I ain't gonna cut it. Okay. Let's send it back down. All right, that's back by it. That one. Muzzle brake's tight. shot. Maybe I think I only shot 4 the first time. But still, only 1 of the 4 on paper. That ain't gonna cut it. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. I just moved it to right there. I'm going to put 10 more rounds down range. They better be close. They better be close. Alright, I got 10 more rounds loaded. Just below it. I think just below left. I'm not sure. All right, 10 more rounds. Ooh. I shot 10 times. That is not pig killing accuracy. So right now it gets a failing grade and kicks and giggles. I'll put in 3 rounds of my Deer Season XP ammo. That was upper right. That hit it. Alright, let's see where it came. Okay. I got 1. I got 2, I got 3. 1, 2, 3, maybe not in that order. That's what the Deer Season Expo shot 10 of the others and had 1. So this ammo, this Sabre blade black tip, nope, trash, not good. Okay, y'all bear with me and try and give y'all a recap of at the range. I've cut off the targets so I wouldn't track in the little black pellets in the hand warmer. But anyway, so I started off with the Sabre black tip, okay? And my first shot, I believe, was one of these two, I think. Or it might have been this one. Actually, I think it was this one, okay? That would be my cold bore shot, and it's the one I'm taking my time on when I'm shooting the pig, so pretty happy with that. Then I put 3 downrange. These would be subsequent shots. Again, I'm not looking for bullseye. I'm looking for consistency, and I think those were those 3. Okay, so at this stage, I'm like, okay, yeah, that's pretty cool. Okay, now I switch over to my Winchester ammo just for kicks and giggles. Here was my target, and I hit 1, 2, 3. Okay, all right, maybe a little high, but you know, good, good, good. So far, I'm thinking pretty good. All right, now then it started going a little south. Then I came down to here, and I put a target in right about here. Okay, and I shot 11 shots. And out of the 11 shots, 1, 2, 3. So 8 weren't even on the paper. All right. In fact, I think, and I'll look in I may download it. I believe I might have actually scraped the wall, which is, you know, off to the side with 1 shot. Okay. So now I'm like, maybe not so good. All right. So then I came over to, let me see, the center over here, all right, and I shot 4 times, all right, and this was the shot there. So here was that. Okay, now I'm back to like, maybe it's okay, maybe it's not, all right, but then I'm like, okay, let's take, maybe I noticed my muzzle brake was loose. I don't know that would cause that much of an error, but let's check it out. So with the target still there, I shot 6 times. All right, now, then I'm like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, all of that, yeah, I could deal with that. All right, so now I'm thinking, okay, it was just the muzzle brake. So after those 6 shots, I moved it over to here. All right, and I shot 10 times, and on the 10 times, I had, let's see, 3 times it hit. It hit here, okay, it hit here, and it hit here. That's out of 10 shots, so that I'm not happy with. So 7, I'm assuming, were off to the left. That appears to be where it was throwing the ammo. Now, just for kicks and grins, I thought, okay, well, let's put in back to my Winchester ammo and see if it's doing okay. And I put 3 downrange. It hit here, here, and here. So it definitely wasn't, you know, me or the gun. I mean, I should have had a lot more on these others. So I'm not going to use this for hunting the Sabre black tip. You know, ammo reacts differently in guns, so your mileage may vary, as they say, but no, the consistency is just not there as far as I'm concerned, at least in my gun, so I will not be using it. So anyway, thank you for tuning in. Let me know if you've used it. Please like and share this so others can hopefully find it. And in your comments, let me know if you've used it and if you've had success with it. Again, I'm shooting in 300 Blackout. It just wasn't successful in my particular rifle. So, thank you for tuning in.